So the other day, I was scrolling on Instagram and I wanted to add this post to my story, but I just couldn't. So today, I'm here to help you to fix that problem. Let's say I open my Instagram and I like this post and I want to add it to my story. How would I do that? First, I would tap on the share icon and then I would tap on this icon, add to story. And just like that, it will be added to my story. And also I could type in anything that I want, like this, and change it however I want or add stickers or whatever I want. Also, if I don't want to add it to my story exactly, I could repost it just like that and add any comments that I want, just like that, or undo that exactly like that. Sometimes there might be bugs or glitches, so Instagram doesn't let you do it that easily. So what you want to do is either going to App Store and updating your Instagram to the latest version, or a better option would be going to settings and heading over to general, tapping on iPhone storage and finding Instagram. And from here, you're going to offload the app. Wait a couple of seconds and then reinstall the app. If you're using an Android device, you just need to clear the cache, delete the application, and reinstall it. But on iPhone, you can just do it easily, just like this. And I hope that helps you with your problem.